pain. Why is it there? Why? You think you don't need it, but it's there for a reason. Why? Why do you have pain? Inhale and feel it. Really start to feel it more. Focus on it and start to describe it. Impulsing, it's in a rhythm, it's loud, maybe it's quiet. How is your pain? Strong, soft? Get aware of it. It's there for a reason. It's okay. It can be there. So inhale, get aware of it. If you really get aware of something, you can release it when the time is ready. Inhale and exhale. It doesn't matter where the pain is coming from, because it's there right now. So start to feel it. Start to accept it. Why is it there? What is your pain telling you? What can you learn out of your pain? Inhale, send yourself a smile. Exactly to your heart and from your heart to your pain. Inhale, one more. With a smile, send it to your heart. Charge it with love and send the love with a smile to your pain. One more. Inhale, smile, charge it with love and send it to your pain. Exhale, release and open your eyes.